Yeah, so we just found all these crazy crab apples right next to this main road as well, so it might get a bit noisy. We're just going to pick loads of these and make some crab apple jam later on. There's a lot to pick as well. So many of these apples around. Right next to a main road though. So we've got all our crab apples here. They're looking pretty good. There's loads of them. We're going to be making our crab apple jelly. So you want to take the top and ends off. Just put them straight in the pan. And we're going to boil that down with some sugar later. It's a pretty easy recipe. Turns out amazing. It's a pretty hot day, guys. I'm going to enjoy my beer. I'll see you soon. So we're down to our last few apples. You can see we've got loads of them in the pan here, so it's going to make loads of crab apple jelly. So now we've got all the crab apples ready, prepared. We're going to take these indoors, add the sugar and some water and a bit of lemon juice, and then we'll be good to go. So now you've got all your ingredients in the pan, it's time to boil it up. And it'll probably take about half an hour to 45 minutes. And once it's like this, you're good to go. It's time to strain these apples. Now you can use a cheesecloth, but I use this clean tea towel here, and it's best to be cotton. But this is the easiest method, I know. And it really helped the tea towel sitting in the colander as well. It's a little bit of a slow process because you don't want it pouring over at all. Just be careful. And remember, the #1 tip of this is never press down on your apples to get more juice. You gotta let gravity do the work because you don't want to get that cloudy jelly. You want to get that nice clear red jelly. Now you want to leave your apples to drain overnight. That's what we did. And then you'll be left with the best of the apple. And it actually tastes a little bit like apple juice. Now what you want to do is just boil it for quite a long time. It should take about an hour or even an hour and a half in our case, but we did have quite a lot of it. And then you're left with this incredibly red translucent jelly, and it's actually insane the colour of this stuff. You would never have thought it would turn out like this, so we're pretty pleased with it. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And comment if you want as well. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.